This video is intended for educational purposes only. We do not promote any illegal activities. Any action taken based on the information in this video are solely at your own risk. Always ensure you have proper authorization before testing systems or networks that do not belong to you. The information in this video should be used responsibly and ethically.
So in this video, we are going to start with installing the Bruce firmware using WebUI method. So over here you can see the Bruce site. So we have to go on install, and over here you can see Flasher. So we will go in latest, and then we have to select our device, which is LilyGo T-Embed CC110. So we have to select our device, and then we have to connect our device. So there is a method to connect our device. So first of all, you have to make sure your device is turned off. So over here you can see my device is turned off. And then what you have to do is you have to hold this middle button, which is a boot button. So you have to hold this button, and then you have to connect the power source, and you have to connect it with your device, and you have to hold this button and you have to click on connect, and you have to keep this button holding, and then we will connect. And over here you can see install LilyGo T-Embed CC1101. So we'll select this, and it will erase all the data. So we will say yes and next and install, and we have to keep this button on hold. So started installing the firmware. Now we can release this button, and let's just wait. So it might take 1 to 2 minutes. So installation is complete. So it's easier, right? So now comes the tricky part. So let's just release our power source, and over here you can see we cannot turn on our device. So to turn on device, we have to remove the back cover. So this is the hard part in my opinion. So we have to remove this back cover, and we also have to remove this battery as well, I suppose. So there is a view. Over here you can see there is a reset button. I can focus over here. Let me just focus. Yes, so over here you can see this is a reset button which we have to press. So let me press this button, and now our device is turned on. Over here you can see Bruce. So this is the web UI method through which we can install the Bruce firmware. We can also install Capybara firmware using the same method, the web UI method. So over here you can see Capybara site. So we can go on Flash latest firmware, and then we have to again select our device. Over here you can see different device options. So we can select our device, and we can select latest stable release, and again what we have to do is we have to turn off our device, and we have to do the similar method in which we have to press this middle button, and then we have to install the firmware. So in our next video, I'm also going to show you the Flasher method, which in my opinion is the easiest method to install any firmware, and then we can easily switch between firmwares as well. Right now over here you can see it's little tedious to, whenever we have to change the firmware, we have to press the reset button, and we have to remove the cover. There is also chance we might destroy the battery wires as well. So let's just see the Flasher method, which is easier in our next video. Thank you.